dani sorry I want an gangster osuso ye nyameduma ube wo sofo na bodwini wagina ne ti oni percent no difference ube wo sofo oni to pack una no difference ube wo sofo Snoop Dogg ntade no se uwi abefa Bible John 3:16 aden mumie preach mon set example ema yen hwe sunsuan mo ene my agency aya twetwa mu ntokuro menje nyame ni sofo so ba ne de kura susu ne me de enti me dem asesa metu me car get front sofo so ba no owuro ne glass get front me dem asesa me wura me ho me ni oba na te ho sofo so me ko no ho ono so ni oba na te o me dem asesa ye nyina ye boko. It's high time, you men of God should set yourself an example. Mema obi akwa baba obi for GC trending story we simedu kopim dundum near we trending stories and yema eba o mine mu nko. Number 1 yenko Aisha Huang aba o mine Ghana oba o mine Ghana ne yemu se won se ekwan ben so na Aisha Huang otimi be wura o mine Ghana. It tells you say the security of the nation Ghana now no ase emu ya because Aisha want him be wura o man mu my immigration and penifo timi kase they didn't even know say Aisha want e wa ha dia then I think say emu orem mo me enko tie immigration penifo no omo susu adwenkyira omo kafa Aisha want e kwan ya oba fast wa obewura o man Ghana mu a obi obedi o man Ghana nya wo baba bi galamsaey abese yensuo asay ye niema na the same person no Aisha
Huang managed to sneak herself into the country upon all the numerous borders we have scattered across the country. And she has been living here for at least no less than 3 months. Our checks confirm.
The information I have from our officers is not the 3 months you're talking about, that she came around mid-August and 2nd September. She was intercepted by officers. But when it comes to the borders, and we have not hidden the fact that our borders are porous, especially in the sub-region, and it's not peculiar to the West African sub-region alone, but across the whole world.
So what does the law say? The way she came in, what is likely to happen to her? But the immigration laws?
Yeah, that is an illegal entry. And currently as we speak, National Security is handling the issue because of how sensitive it is. And she was taken to court and a remand taken against her. So I believe all the other agencies and AG and everybody will come in to find the appropriate charges to level against her.
But per the immigration rules, what could be...
if she's convicted on the immigration rules, she may go in for about 2 years. That's what the law says.
Per the immigration rules?
Yes.
Is the immigration pressing the charges against her?
That's why I'm saying that currently, we are now building the case because her mode of entry is one that we all want to clarify. Then what she got herself engaged in also will have to be looked into. Then we can build a proper case against her. So when we get to that point, we'll let the media know. We have a mixed bag of operational strategies in place. You can't depend on just our officers at the points of entry. Look,
Mumbai twa asem so ana me bie nipa adwem we say
asem
we a ye kan mo fa
nche that you are the bodies and that is so that's why in
mo fa nche me asem we a ye kan say ye Ghana abrotire na ye koduru ho na sa de obi koto ya enke edem say bibini na ko broni krom ana koye say ya enke jeli no Ghana adenti ne ye man obi aba na obefa ye chaskele no ode ye ko obi aba no abefa ye chaskele no ko eno na esi no me nua be ma ayibesi o say wa tie bi the immigration officer na asem na organize say no se e wo se emra kwan mu na ye hunu se wa wuram illegally wa famra kwan mu na wuram it is e wo se ya angeli ni kura 1 to 2 years they was otimi kodem but ye hwese Aisha Huang obedem a mom yensa nko ne nkoti audio we suso yenkoti ye hwese Ghana security ne secure yentie.
How COVID exposed our medical fraternity is how Aisha Huang has exposed our security. She has told us demonstrably that anybody can walk in and walk out and do what they want. What Aisha Huang did, if a Ghanaian did, they will be in Sawam, Ankafu, or wherever it is by now. What Aisha Huang did. And I say I believe strongly that Aisha Huang has evidence on people in high places.
Yes.
I believe strongly so. What Aisha Huang did, if Johnny Hughes does it, Bella does it, Cookie does it, Hajia Lorato does it, they will go to jail. Aisha Huang is working free. Senior minister and now senior advisor to the president said, oh, prosecuting her will not. Why is the senior minister? He still has the president's ear. He's the one who tells the president, sit down, he will sit down, stand up, he will stand up, sleep, he will sleep. He also from Afo. When he finishes, he will go and make ethnocentric comments that when we were fighting for independence, the Ashantis were not there, it was the Eastern region people. He's still at post, he's chopping your tax. He's older than Ghana. People who are older than Ghana are getting jobs, and you young people who are, then you come and be defended. That's the painful part of the conversation.
God bless you, my brother. God bless you, my brother. God bless you, my brother. One nyansa sema ye nuano fellow journalist kan. Was the people who are older than Ghana are chopping Ghana's money and kofo omanyini sine Ghana. Di Ghana siga and kofo omanyini sine Ghana. Di Ghana bro and kofo omanyini sine Ghana. Se Ghana and kofo omanyini sine Ghana. Di Ghana bro. Now wo young boy. I was say ye pay dwuma ma ono. Sabi ya dwene wo fomunti ni defendi wo mo. And then Kokrafo made 70, 80 years. Anka abamre mu no. E was say komu ko pension no. They are enjoying life. And na youth na ye ho den no. Yen o me de ye nkwase adwuma. Yet wa ye be use social media ni nyansa mu no. Ye de aye nkwase anema. E na so bi kwabrane kwatra. E ya na me ho me ti. Se obie hu what I see. Obie hu the omani see ko. And obie wonim de in politics and go use your mind Ghana no baby edru no 0% because ye ko pension kura ko bobosia ye ko peduane ye ko bobosia electricity na ye ne head ya no kura ye ko bo bra ye sa ko bobosia ye bi o man mu ya bosia bonko a ye mu se adenti ne man nkofo mu free obi kurom eba ye kurom ebe se ye man the reason is wasesa ne na busuafo nyina afrim enti eba critical unni passport wono a back critical unni passport obefa hen unni passport ono ne manyina wo passport a back critical wo ko momi anwene nkoda angle empanifo no mu di abro. They are not thinking about the welfare of the nation. Politician me be obaba man mu obaba benye sika bia we should investigate them. They are all thieves. Canada Japan no ntwon ene obisa ne say na wono so hey o say we are all thieves. And to Canada, they are all thieves. They are indeed. They are robbing us. They are all thieves. In this time, now we are young, no. Now pinpointing pen for the say they are at fault. They should do the right thing because if a pensioner brain and family boom, and my home ente. You should the youth. We should think of voting for a youth person. Obi owo brains I am mono fresh a bit my boy man and yet me pesca de ago me yere me ma hofo adwene sankofo no o ma dwen nyina me pesca de ago me yere me ma ho nti wo man na say kro mfa the other day obi send me frustrated journalist ene nema enka odan e kan odan abehu se kwan ne ntene e kan odan a ubehu se kwan ne ntene be anka odan nti wo se kwan ne ntene ye bu obi da agu a ye bu fa de kwan ne ntene be kan odan de a wo se ntene yenke enyi mfansi se eduru level bi na wo adwuma na wo ye no sa aban e frustrate ya na be kan adwuma na yiw ma akotena fi a you will learn sense oman essay from gradual process yentie lawyer baako ono so adwenkire a ono so kire ye frɛ no lawyer anoche frimpon ono so na asɛm a ɔkan ɛwɔ free SHS me his excellency started free SHS me ka say he has failed. Free SHS is not starting the first and I'm case na administration was failing. The reason is why one to say the sitting president then time Mahama why we sikani nyina manaka dompe obi aka dompe no. Why do you have to start an expensive project? SHS na nya adwuma keto mo de mumientie asema lawyer mu a ono so e kire na adwene wo ho. It tells you say mo de mumientie
SHS is coming na wo be to wo bia o ma nwe no ho ye na ni ntia make us sabe no sabe ka se wanyu na se wodi wano no chemfa me bone encha me no me chira mu se ukọ Ghana apakose mu a ebi sida say ya what free SHS and as secondary education across board many they been sida ɛno ne ade ankofo bebre enim no Kwame Nkrumah ɔbaaye no ohu ade bi sɛ akwasi broni ɛhyɛ de twa ɔman no mu mienu an imaginary boundary between the north and the south. And it's a woko Cape Coast schools are papa where we are seeing a go Cape Coast. I didn't try to one capital no. Omo here nipa one no on be adwuma wo office. O bank ha Achimota school, a chere Accra Academy e bae. Now a chere so nya Prempeh College e wo Asante Mem. Wo free wo tra Asante e de ko esrebu no a. Abrofo ni nya adwene bi. Se obi a ko school no baba ye catching ya obedane kwabena sechi the Graf Johnson Kisney Hayford why mono e Kem Ferguson ani abrofo na be challenge na why ne be ye nkukudwuma kan ya kaso obi ye kuku obi ono aduane maburu ni obi oprapra buru ni sabe obi oyi obi agya nan no masam enti wa branka ase hafo ani esem no difference ye nyina ye nipa baako broni ne hyeda de ehye to nti se wo se obi afiri sremu eba ne ye de ne be ya watchman ye de nsem bebra mempesa me enya fe nti tamu Nkrumah je fa hodie no in fact a year after independence 1958 na fena the whole north are producing the first graduate Alasan Banzaba wabra wo ba south ha yemfa graduate enya hwe ayibefo emfantefo enkranfo obia nti Nkrumah nya adwen bi se sene oman na ekọ no se ya hwe ne yi a e bedroom mire bi ne yanuanu na ewosire on betene armed robbers because oni adwumaye and also the civil disaster be ebeba nti yen creative free education ma wo enkosi university sene a e best pd up no mo ne yen abeyepe ase hafo no abeyepe nti sa free education e fa na the Northerners Award second tanone free education the second one was Ghana government scholarship samre no obi ese wa bin biara common entrance when you certain level and now school classroom first 10 wo ka ho ni am Ghana government scholarship and only second form of free education. Then the third one Ghana government Nkrumah industrialization policy awo ye ni na na ye koko na ye backbone I support no inti sadia and nanka the world price of cocoa na nka say ko farmer no wana buy age no watete so drastically no or ya de bi de ahye won kurai say wo pa for bia for the banko school say ne be ya sika na nka say ya de hye wo sam ya de ma wo ba scholarship the for the CMB scholarship eno na to aso won Nkrumah mreso wa ebebesi ono na na Akufo-Addo emreso.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, man. God bless you, man. A lawyer. I don't say man a lawyer from poor chiri me. Free SHS na omo a ohwe hu say nkofo country regions ni bi wo ha ya neglect o ma that time. Etu omo no na ehia education say the be speed up no me de be yepe. O bae na bae na say the whole Ghana. He enkura o man we mu a o ma bon kura no me na SHS. No mo didi free o mo wi o obi kura ntimi ntwere ne di se yakana de hye me se akura no feli kura ma ne nko education be no ye frustrate yen ho because akura no abon kura ye pass na manako enti ye bo education na ye say education na nka wase nka na tackle from them Nkrumah idea ne say o ye student ultimate di bia first to 20 ubenya free SHS free akọ o anru ho ne dia o qualify o be kwa ko padwuma ni ama technical works no carpentry mason ene ni ama no ya bie technical schools ni ya momo na o man pass no mo ni dia no mo so dia kwa technical works ni makosua farmers ye ma farming work ni ye lucrative ema obi hunu se ukwa farmer nkire so ye ohiani ena abrochire esikafo na do afuo be Ghana ehiafo na do afuo ede ntia ohiani ni kodobo de ne ba obi ba ho no abeto bode duro kakaka no just 10 cedi no no aba beton 1 million enti na ni nye so obeye ede na ban no betima ya afa ho ede so wo se wo empower the farmers who empower farmers no who more insurances who more free healthcare who more assistance bebre na wa hunu say ena many Dr. Louis Edin komo bi say a great and our health enka your machines ye do abani provide more no more land no more done in a vast land afobans Ghana ya import more ya export more nuane free hako but no ya mo import more aduane efiri obi ekurum na eba e de na ekoso say ya anwini hawa ye be hu manage ya mine de ada bi ye be frustrate evangelist bi a o preaching na asem na o kan na it dawns on my spirit say wase me ne ye ne ya hwe nyina no ye nyina nya emfaso ofiri mu because my Ghana adia take dominion of the nation Christianity I take dominion and I think say enye wrong thing but how are you use your Christian no we are abusing it and na ama ene yesu frɛ awade enye yi no because ene pastors nyina da no politicians ene ye kan kufo de be say na na be say mi hu so bi aka say ye friend say maami we kura don ko ebe we ni da because o ma hu say ho de nkwan mfiri ho ma mo de mo mentie ye sori a ya bonya mitu agba mo mentie evangelist na asem na o kan mentie ye tie
si abra po no mo se me chiro mo sam eboni tu na mo yo kana no abra po tan mo chiro mo sam. You see, I was saying somewhere recently that these days we call the Holy Spirit and he doesn't come. Do you know why? He sees the guy playing the keyboard, he's a womanizer. The guy singing is also a gay. The one playing the drum too is just a drunkard. And the one leading the song too is a smoker. And they are singing so kron kron bra, so kron kron bra, so kron kron bra. The Holy Ghost creeps into the window and he sees a gathering of criminals. He sees a gathering of criminals. So he looks inside and he is saying, Sawamaya Panizana, Sawamaya Panizana. Jesus, Holy Ghost, the human goes, Holy Ghost, way. Oh, but he has it, hallelujah. Oh, he has also Holy Ghost, the human goes,
asema papa kan obeka so the jokes and no krepa na papa na kana evangelist God bless you o say asori dem na ye wura edi nya atwuma wura ho no de obo drums adwamanfo bi anchen no de obo organ one de oto nwom otwempena na mo sonson konkrombra aobra sonson konkrom bi window no betem no hwa adwamanfo nko na gu aso dem o mada ya di nyame di agro ye ne na etwe atwetwe se udi obi kura o ye nipa o ne nanim twetwe fom ana se odi ni di agro nipa kura na become pissed off ne bufu it's high time we say hwe Kristo so ni yie star di agro no ubehu se sofu timi ka kire obi se boy na one na twempena no bra na menya akwankere ma me ye ma wa obedo obeba ba be ware wodi sike nyina be ma na kwa bra ne usu jimi was says can you na koma sofo no wadi me nka so this kama sofo e wrong no me per se wa wo hwe me no me I'm not against Christianity no I'm a Christian me na fofo nyina ya sofo people close to me are men of God the family I'm from is from men of God I me a very very spiritual person but what I'm saying is this the way a manner of people are using God abusing the name of God no is too much. It's becoming rampant in Ghana. And then, obitimi di nyamesum no ahwi obi yire. Obitimi di nyamesum no afrod obi no agye ne sika nyina. Obitimi di nyamesum na wa sell abrabo ene nyamesum ene asofofo dan herbalist. Uduru a enkyere na ehuna ma ne o Ghana enkyere. Apumudi na ma ne o Ghana. Yesefa enkyere bra na oba senkyere be boto be miensa no da kogu ade nkyere dware sama ne widie nyina ye say den just because oh yeah enkyere free apum enye mo anso na se mama watatepum afa de mo nkyere no eno na nkunimdie wom it's high time mama the west ebe free enum beba no should be power nyankopon si the authority every wanum Mummy nya akwankyere bone kofa we bra akotudua we na asesema pa saka na niam nyina na aren't overdo. I don't want to use that word. Me personally use the word be a very offensive. Mummy nya sa niam no. Nya niam a please God. Speak the righteous things to them. Preach righteousness to them. Say otu ne panofo. E ma na sakira free ne bone won nyame betie no. Oja na dwaman na wo bo na osufra awade obetie. ogya ne kro no na oye na wadwuma mu na osufre awade a obetie so ogya pesame nkuminya enansi twitwa ena asofofo nyine eye ahoya asofo mo ye nyame adwuma no a ono preach no oni nipa bi kura nya so one member kura na ye ne ya ahoya dokuru mo saa pesame nkuminya selfish sofo timi wo obi ho saa ono nko apese ono nko na enidi Most of them say Hong Kong by nipa konkro na afrafra mo. Hong Kong bi amfra mo. There are people in Yankopon Hong Kong ne ti omu, no doubt about that. Who the spirit of humility wo mu. Who say nipa we ahombrase honhom tinimu or respect nipa. Kwabra ni sori awada ne gangster. Osuso ye nyamedwuma. Madane gangsters. Enamu gisika ni wi anu madane gangsters. Uba wosofu na bodwimi wajina ni ti oni your friend say 50 cent no difference. Uba wosofu oni to pack uhuna no difference. Uba wosofu Snoop Dogg ntade no se uwi abefa Bible John 3:16 aden mumie preach mon set example ema yen hwe sunsuan mo ene my agency ya twetwa mu ntokuro menje nyame ni so ba ne de kura sususene me de enti me dem asesa metumi car get front so ba no owuro ne glass get front me dem asesa mi wura me ho me ni oba na te ho so me ko no ho so ni oba na te o me dem asesa ye nyina ye boko it's high time you men of God should set yourself an example for us to know learn from. Mo menya medwuma no ye time on say Muslims no yenti omo asem fa chem yenti Muslims no ho asem ubehu Muslims no omo bibia omo follow the rules no omo de ko but ne no one man church na aba no obi aba no ade ni rules run na asore obi ba o say nse dross fa oto saa fa bra no obi so aba boduku obi susu moduku obi susu shenro obi susu all bibia account say ehun which switch se e ba asore no yan hye dross no me be bompa na wotehwe na bie na me hwa ma ye bone ana mumma yensu nyame ana mo se da bia me ko me say yen Christopher a ya ba nansen no yensu nyame suban o ye hwe na na mo bi obeye ne ye pebi keke be ni suban nkasa yensu ya yira. Hey, mama me fed media in Siwan, my way and my tubom. God bless you. The name still remain over for back. Mama Christianity ni because nyam coupon or ye cron, no ye cassia, no ye nyame bakope, or nyame bakro pe. Ah, obia ne cheat ni obia ni ho. There is no one like him. The only omnipresent, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. We should give him the honor, the praise he deserves. Ni nyai say yes, say ni dino. God bless you. My catch us audition change no eguso mesra audition no bra Pocket TV audition change no ye twesini no nti bra fa ho bagim na ma ho sanka akire. God bless you and stay blessed. That's enough better menka. Bye bye.